Boots is on a roll with their beauty boxes, and this is their latest release, the Skincare and SPF edit. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've just found out that this beauty box is sold out. Well, it says stock coming soon, but we know from previous boxes that Boots have released, if it says stock coming soon, then it's very, very unlikely that they are going to be bringing these boxes back, unfortunately. It's no shock though, it's such a good one. This is the SPF and Skincare edit. It costs £35 and it has a value of £173. I made a mistake when it was released on Friday. I normally choose send to shop and then I'm able to get it the next day. So I was a bit confused why I couldn't get it on Saturday or even Sunday. And then out of the blue, Royal Mail delivered it for me. So I must have clicked delivered. So basically, I'm sorry that I'm showing you this too late, but I thought I would share it with you anyway, just so you can see the type of boxes that Boots do. But they still got others on their website, so I'll pop a link to them down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to the website, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on showing you then what's inside. It contains 8 products, and they're all hidden in amongst the worms there. Right then. Oh, starting off, we've got Rituals. This is Invisible Sun Protection Milky Spray, Hydro Boost Complex, SPF 30. And this is Ritual of Karma. So, I forgot what are you? I know I love the smell. Oh, it's lotus flower and white tea. I love Rituals, but I've never ever tried their SPFs before. So really excited about this. Oh, SPF smells amazing. And there's more in here that smell amazing as well. So it's a spray. I'm gonna have to do it. Woo! There. Okay, this is the only one I'll be testing. I don't want to waste it. Oh my gosh, the smell instantly. Yeah, I don't want to waste them. Oh my gosh, it's the perfect scent of old school sun cream, what I remember when I was a kid, and then obviously Ritual of Karma. It just brings memories of being on a beach. I used to live near a beach. My family still do. I don't anymore. Well, I can drive to a beach where I live here, but yeah, I used to spend a lot of time as a child down at the beach. It just reminds me of that. But obviously a nicer smell. I love that. I'm going to pop that in my bag, my handbag, so I can top up on the go. Right, we've got Byoma. This is SPF 50. Brilliant. I do prefer a 50, got to be honest. A 30 is fine for this sort of time of year. Ish. I do prefer a 50 though. As we're coming into longer, sunnier days and hotter sun, then yeah, it's definitely 50 for me. So this is Ultralight Face Fluid, SPF 50 hyaluronic acid, and it's a barrier boosting sunscreen. And there's 50 mils here. Again, a new product for me. I haven't tried this one. Protect and hydrate. I love the size of this. Perfect little travel size. I haven't got any trips planned for this year. I normally like to go on like really bargain weekends away and everything, but no, nothing planned this year. But this is what I'm thinking. Oh, that would be perfect for putting in, you know, the liquids bag then, you know, because it's 50 mils and it's quite flat. Yeah, I like that. Now on to some gorgeous products that I've already had before. This is Sol de Janeiro. This is Radiance, so my favourite scent from the Sol de Janeiro range. SPF 50 body lotion. It's the Charosa 87 fragrance, 100% mineral, illuminating sunscreen, and there's 200 mils here. This is quite pricey. It's around, what is it, £35 possibly? But it's so nice. It is so, so nice. So I had this last year and it does last a long while. So I've got another one now for this year. It says, do not stay too long in the sun, even while using a sunscreen product. Reapply frequently, even after perspiring, swimming or toweling. Drying, I suppose. Yep, I've had skin cancer, I've had malignant melanoma, so SPF is a huge deal for me. So I love a really, really gorgeous Fact 50, and that is one. And then we got the body oil. Same scent, Radiance, SPF 50, Charosa 87 fragrance, shimmering sunscreen, and there's 90 mils here. This is a really gorgeous oil. You'd imagine oil, possibly sticky, feeling tacky on your skin. I've tried SPF oils before and I just don't like them. Cannot stand it. This isn't. This absorbs into the skin really nicely, leaves the skin smelling amazing, as you'd imagine, but it also dries down pretty quickly. It's so lightweight. It is a really, really gorgeous product. So perfect if you've got more drier skin. We've got a fake tan. This is Skinny Tan Whip. This is a light whip-like texture, hydrating formula, skin blurring guide colour in medium. Oh, we've got all the bits on it, and there is 150 mils there. I've tried little minis of these. We usually find this one in beauty boxes as we're heading into spring now, and then not long before summertime comes, we'll start to see more and more of these boxes. Cult Beauty are going to be bringing one out shortly. We usually get one from M&S. Look fantastic. Possibly Glossy Box, I'm trying to think, I can't remember now. But yeah, we usually have a SPF and skincare type beauty box from a lot of these websites, and yeah, you usually get this one, a little mini one of this in there. It's nice. It is nice. I've taken it on holiday with me. I love a fake tan. As I've had melanoma, I've never used a sunbed, never been into sunbathing. Even now I hate it. I love the feeling. I love the feeling of wearing hardly any clothes and just stepping outside. I'm just thinking abroad now, because in Wales it's not all that hot sometimes, but not usually. I just love the feeling of wherever you are and it's really hot outside, and yeah, hardly any clothes and you just got the heat. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. I can't sunbathe. I can't sit and lie in the sun. I hate it. It's so boring. I got ADHD, so I suppose that is why. But yeah, I've never been into that. So anyway, I fake tan. I've always fake tan, and I love a deep fake tan. If I go on holiday, I fake tan beforehand, and then I bring a fake tan with me to top up as the days go on. And this I've used many times, and it's a really nice one. Yeah, Skinny Tan is a good one, a good brand. First Aid Beauty, and this is Brighten and Glow Eye Cream with Niacinamide, safe for sensitive skins. And there's 15 mils there. I'm not sure if I've ever tried an eye cream from this brand before. 94% reported this product brighten their under eye area and help minimise the appearance of. And then it doesn't tell you what. The appearance of? Dark circles, maybe? No, it doesn't say. So we've got an eye cream by First Aid Beauty. We've got number 7. This is Radiance Daily Energizing Exfoliating Cleanser. Gently exfoliates to reveal instantly brighter skin, suitable for all skin types. And there's 100 mils there. This is really nice. I can't remember where I got it, but I got it in a beauty box, or possibly an advent calendar. It's got bits in it, if I remember rightly. Obviously, it's exfoliating. Yeah, I can see them there. See? Hopefully you'll be able to see there. And it has the most gorgeous orange smell. That is so nice. It just smells like a really strongly flavoured orange ice lolly. Exactly that, like a Calippo. It says here, blended with exfoliating natural apricot seeds, skin is left feeling instantly refreshed, re-energised and prepared for the rest of your regime. Yeah, I love that. I can't remember when I got it. I wish I had a better memory. But anyway. And then lastly, we've got Isle of Paradise. This is a little mini. It's customisable self-tanning drops for face and body. Look, a little cute one. There's a little sample. There's 4 mils there. I've used this many times. Isle of Paradise is another brand I really, really love as well. And yeah, it tells you here, more drops equals more glow. So 3 drops will give you radiance, 6 drops will give you sun-kissed, 9 drops will give you golden, and 12 drops will give you bronze. And there's possibly only about 12 drops in there. And you put it in your moisturiser or foundation, it's up to you really. And there you go, those are all the products in the Boots SPF and Skincare edit. I think it's fab. I love it. I love the fact the standout products for me are the Rio Radiance Sol de Janeiro oil and lotion, and the Milky SPF as well from Rituals. The fact that this costs £35, and I'm sure I'll have a look actually, see how much it actually costs. I've just had a look on the Boots website. It retails for £40. It's currently on sale for £32. So basically, if you're buying this, you're getting everything else free. Unfortunately, it's sold out though, but it's no wonder, isn't it? It is no wonder. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you buy it? And yeah, what is going on with Boots and their beauty boxes? I can't keep up. There's a new one every week. I think that's it now. But if another one crops up, then I will let you know all over like Instagram, Facebook, all my pages. So yeah, I'll let you know anyway. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.